by Nightwise Human Capital.
Yeah, the report that is being launched today has actually indicated that almost 97% of the teachers have financial distress or financial stress. Therefore, what as a government we are going to do is study the report, but then study the recommendations that have been made, and work towards coming up with policy interventions to support our teachers going forward in the areas that have been identified, including the issues related to mental wellness, so that we have resource centers where our teachers will be able to be supported in our various counties.
We were evaluating the mental, financial, physical, occupational well-being of teachers, as well as the engagement of teachers, how teachers engage with the work that they do, the teams that they work with, and the institutions that they are working in. And we found out some interesting data from 875 teachers from all over the country, so it was a national survey. We found out that financial literacy is the least rated dimension when it comes to wellness.